phone? Oh, yeah? Who are you talking to? Who is it? Say hello. I didn't know you could hear anything from the back of your head. Who is it? Uh-oh. Who's on the phone? Uh-oh. Who's on the phone back there? Is this Santa? Let me see. Got the phone here. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, Izzy's here. Yeah, Christmas is in a few days. Ho, ho, ho to you too, Santa. Just a minute. He wants to talk to you. He wants to talk to you. You gonna go walk around? Oh, you want me to say hi? Oh, okay, just a minute. Do you want me to ask you what kind of cookies you wanted? He said sugar cookies. You talk to him. Izzy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Santa. Oh, you want me to talk to him? Uh-huh. Yeah, I know. Here, he really wants to talk to you. Say hello, Santa. Say hello, Santa. All right. Yeah. Santa? Yeah, she really wants me to talk to you for some reason. I know she was just walking around with it for a long time. She got stockings all over. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Izzy. Talk on the phone. Should we show everybody what the weather's like in San Diego? Wet and cold. Bye-bye. There's our water.